Welcome to Storyteq's Adaptation Studio, our creative automation engine that brings your content to every touchpoint at scale. We know how much work it takes to cover every touchpoint with personalized on-brand content. It's slow, it's manual, and it eats up creative resources. Adaptation Studio transforms your master brand assets into dynamic templates. So anyone in your marketing team, designer or not, can quickly produce localized versions for any channel or format, from rich video to digital display to print. And with AI-powered translations and generative transforms, content can be adapted instantly into any size, language, or layout without tedious manual work. So how does it work? Adaptation Studio begins by converting master assets into smart, dynamic templates. Whether it's a Photoshop file, Figma design, or After Effects project, your creative can be transformed into flexible templates that protect brand elements while allowing your teams to personalize what they need. Once your templates are ready, editing is simple and intuitive. Let's take a closer look. Here's a simple social or banner asset. In just a few clicks, you can select the sizes you need, update copy, swap images, and tailor the content for different markets, channels, or languages, all while staying on brand. Now let's switch to a rich video example. This is where Adaptation Studio really shines. Our templates support Adobe After Effects, which means even your most complex motion projects can become dynamic, editable templates. So adapting rich video is just as intuitive as working with static assets. From one template, you can choose the sizes and durations you need, update the copy, swap scenes or products, and tailor everything to your touchpoint in a few clicks. And finally, print, another area where Adaptation Studio really stands out. You can adapt simple or complex production-ready print artwork just as easily as digital assets, updating text, switching imagery, tweaking layouts, connecting to Excel datasheets, and exporting print-ready PDFs with crop and bleed marks. For larger rollouts, Adaptation Studio allows you to bulk create many versions at once, making it easy to scale content across markets, channels, and formats. Simply complete a form or upload a spreadsheet and watch as your adaptations are generated automatically, saving teams hours of manual production work. Built-in naming conventions and metadata tracking mean you don't need to manually rename assets or update metadata, ensuring every version stays consistent, organized, and ready to activate. And thanks to AI translations, users can instantly localize content into 60 languages. Our AI can also learn from your brand reference materials, so every translation sounds on brand. With AI transforms, users can clean up or extend visuals automatically so that assets fit any layout without manual retouching, awkward crops, or extra design work. Harness the power of AI to streamline content production at scale, empowering teams to deliver polished, on-brand creative faster than ever before. Adaptation Studio also includes built-in review and approval workflows, making it easy for teams to collaborate and sign off on content in one place. Stakeholders can review assets, add real-time annotations, and leave clear contextual feedback exactly where it's needed, whether that's on copy, imagery, layout, or motion. Each round of feedback is captured automatically, with a full version history maintained in the background. This means teams can easily track what's changed, compare versions, and understand how an asset has evolved without relying on emails or manual file naming. Reviewers can approve, reject, or request changes, keeping the process structured and transparent. Everyone involved always knows the current status of an asset and what action is required next. Because reviews happen directly on the asset itself, there's no confusion over which version is being discussed, reducing rework and speeding up approvals. The result is a smoother, more efficient review process that helps teams move faster, stay aligned, and get content approved with confidence. Once assets are approved, render them in any format you need and send them straight to the content portal, right alongside your brand guidelines and assets. You can also publish directly to your media channels, ad libraries, or your cloud storage. The result? faster campaigns, lower production costs, and greater brand consistency. By giving teams the power to adapt content themselves, you cut production costs, launch campaigns faster, and ensure every market stays perfectly on brand. Adaptation Studio fits seamlessly into our award-winning end-to-end content marketing platform, so your adaptations can flow straight into the content portal or into Collaboration Hub briefs, keeping everything aligned in one connected workflow.